Force, Energy and Simple Machine, Chapter 7, Class 7th. Our topic is what is energy? Energy, this is the ability to do work. Energy can change an object's motion, temperature, color and the shape. The ability to do work, so that is called energy. If a person is able to do more work, then the person is having more energy. Now we will discuss different forms of energy. Light energy. Light energy is the only form of energy that we can actually see directly. Light energy can also be converted into other forms of energy. Light energy, that is the light. We are able to see light and we are getting light from the sun also. That is the natural source of light energy. Second type of energy is chemical energy. Chemical energy is energy stored in the bonds of chemical compounds, and that are atoms and molecules. Children's, the food we eat, this also contain chemical energy. It forms new substances like sound, light and thermal energy. Like the firecrackers. Firecrackers has chemical energy. On playing, they produce sound, light and heat energy. When we play firecracker, then these energies are produced. Heat energy. Heat energy is the total of kinetic and potential energy of the atoms in an object. Heat energy, it produces heat. Like the sun, this gives us heat energy. By the sun we are getting heat energy. From the fire we are getting heat energy. So heat energy, so this is the energy which gives you heat. Electrical energy. We are using electrical energy for running our various appliances like television, computer, air conditioner, refrigerator, etc. Electrical energy is the energy created by electrons moving through an electrical conductor. This energy is due to the motion of the charged particle like electrons. When the electrons moves in the conductor, then electric energy is produced. Nuclear energy. Nuclear energy, so this is the energy which we get from the nucleus of an atom. Nucleus of the heavy element like uranium, thorium, so they contains high energy. On bombardment by the neutron, they produce high amount of energy. And the nuclear energy, so this is used for making nuclear weapons like atom bombs, hydrogen bomb, etc. Controlled nuclear energy, this can be used for the constructive work like producing electricity in the nuclear power plant. In nuclear power plant, electricity is produced by nuclear energy. Sound energy. Sound energy is the sound which is associated with vibrations of particles. When the particles vibrate, then sound energy is produced. When you vibrate anything, then it produces sound. And sound needs a medium to travel. Without medium, sound cannot travel. If we are in the space, then no sound can be heard because there is no medium for the traveling of sound. Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy due to the motion. If any object is moving, then it has kinetic energy. If the children are playing, then the children are having kinetic energy. If the birds are flying, then the birds have kinetic energy. Every moving object has kinetic energy. Potential energy. Potential energy, this is the energy which an object have due to its position. Due to its position or configuration or the stored energy of the object. So this is also called potential energy. If a object is raised to a height, then the raised object has potential energy. For example, when you are raising hammer to fix a nail on a wall, then the hammer has potential energy. Now in the figure, the stretch bow, it also has potential energy. So this is the energy due to its configuration or position. Now the mechanical energy. Mechanical energy means the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. The energy due to motion of the object or due to the position of the object. So that is called mechanical energy. And mechanical energy is the sum of kinetic and potential energy.